provide mainly material movement solutions, both horizontal and vertical. And when we go to customers, what they ask is mainly how reliable this solution is, how safe this solution is, and what is the duration of ROI that I'll have. And those are the primary first motivation factors for them is they are looking at optimizing the manpower, and they are looking at automation for one is efficiency, productivity, but also for safety. So these are the primary concerns and primary questions that we come across when we are talking to customers.
So if I look at overall industry currently, if I go back 10 years, for process automation, like including robotic arms, welding to assembly lines automation, there was a concern, should we go for automation or not? Last 10 years, if I look at that, has matured more. Now people are talking about that as a way of now production. So now coming to material movement automation, which we are also doing, including ASRS, storage systems and material movement inside the facility. Now currently the thought process is, I have done the automation in process or in the production line, how I can able to move the materials to the production line so that both can be optimized. So that is the background of thought process which most of the customers are having. How I can able to improve the efficiency per se by integrating both the production line on the material movement. So that is the major thing which customers wants to understand, how I can able to integrate. So what are all the things which we can able to give as a solution? What is it the industry standards are? What are the safety norms across the industries? What is the TC or total cost of operation? All those things which will definitely come, and whether the solution is adapt to my pain areas or the concerns which I am looking at. So these are the major things which customers.
I think if you look at it, when the ROI is there, most of the sectors are looking for a change. And if I look at the key primary sectors, I see automotive OEM or parts, and pharma and FMCG, and also I see that in e-commerce. And the textiles, etc., those ones will be more optimized, more cost optimized solutions. But the other ones, the first ones that I said, that are quite receptive, and we have customers in all of those sectors as of now.
Yeah, so basically, if I look at e-commerce as this thing, they are much more matured in terms of optimizing, because it is all about end delivery, how much shorten I can able to do. With manual intervention, you cannot achieve that sort of efficiency. So most of the e-commerce players or to supply chain people in material movement have optimized most of their solutions in terms of automation. So in process industries like engineering, manufacturing, there we are looking at opportunity, how I can able to integrate their processes with my material movement automation. So in terms of heavy industries like steel, cement, these are the areas where it is a process line. They cannot shut down the facility to do something. So it is a continuous process line where all conveyor movement, including raw materials to everything feeding to outward material, it is a process oriented industry where material movement alone I cannot able to automate. It is end to end, we need to give as solutions. So those companies specific to some material movement, it might be difficult for us to automate, but manufacturing industries as well as manufacturing may come in auto components, farmers, pharmacy, and we have electronics components manufacturer, we have white goods manufacturers, electronics, basically these are the industries which if I look at India, the new initiatives for semiconductor manufacturing and all the lithium battery manufacturing, because they have a clean room technology wherein manual intervention or person walking into the manufacturing will not be a this thing, because it will delegate the need of clean room technology. So these are the sectors which are looking for automation, and some industries like hospitality, food and beverages, your supermarkets, they are now looking at how a light load AMR can be used for a promotion, and also how we can able to optimize their internal for people to pick materials using a touch screen. The bot can able to navigate all those things we are looking at.
To add to what Chetan said, is some of the EV manufacturers, if you look at in automotive, the earlier combustion engine ones didn't really need kind of a clean room manufacturing. But EV, to an extent, in some places, some components, you need clean room. So it is being manufactured in one place, and then it has to be taken to the assembly place, but you cannot have the trolleys actually move from on the floor to from one place to another place. So now you need to carry the trolley to that place so that the wheels also don't catch any of the dust. So those kind of things, I see EV manufacturers are looking for more and more automation because of their basic requirements of clean room. So we see, I think, a lot of people with tremendous years of experience, they are there in this forum, and they are sharing their thoughts and their experiences and what they have done. So it gives us a lot of insight into what is the current state of the industry and where it is going, and that is very insightful.
Yeah, so to carry on that, the expertise people who are available in this event, key decision makers, who are domain knowledge expert people who are assembled, that collaborative way the CII has brought in from the industry people, from the technology and the end users per se. So it is this, I think, if we do more events like this collaborative approach definitely is going to embed that thought process of how the things are moving in the fast phase what we are looking at.